My name is Amit Grover. I'm the founder and managing partner of Grover & Company and a co-founder and general partner of North Capital. My business are primarily two. I'm into the advisory business of intellectual property. I advise small, medium companies on how to build IP and how to monetize IP. North Capital is a venture capital fund that I'm building on the climate tech area that primarily and predominantly invests in electric vehicles, renewable energy, and we are trying to commercialize such ventures in the Middle East, starting with Dubai and then Saudi Arabia. So that's what I do. So our investment thesis is modeled on market validation. So we look at companies with intellectual property, that's a must. And we also need market validation before we can take a swipe at investment. We generally invest from seed to late seed in terms of the stage, and anywhere between $200,000 to about $500,000. In some cases, we have gone up to $1 million. Selection criteria, like I said, is the business has to be fitting our investment thesis, which means it's got to be a climate tech companies in electric vehicles and renewable energy. Number two, like I said, our stages are seed and pre-seed. And number three, market validation and intellectual property are must for our selection. So like I said, we can invest from $200,000 up to $1 million, depending on the type of company that we're investing in. So I invest predominantly in climate tech, where we've got two verticals. One is sustainable mobility, where electric vehicles is a part of it, and everything that comes with that ecosystem. The second vertical that we invest in is renewable energy, which is quite a broad field. But yes, these are the two areas currently that we are supporting. I've been with Tablon from the very start when Farooq started, and the community has grown. I've seen it grow from about 50 to 60 people to probably now 500. So it's a fantastic endeavor in Dubai that aims to connect founders with investors and creates a casual environment where founders and investors can interact. So I think it's a fantastic initiative, and I must say that out of all the other similar events happening, Tablon is really rocking it. I mean, it's the number one preferred choice for founders to raise capital. So a couple of them, I've got a four-step approach. The first step is you have to be solving a problem big enough, worthy of solving. Number two, you have to be very realistic about your valuation. Number three, you have to display core competence either within yourself or your team to be able to build a venture with the subject that you're building and take it to market. And number four, you've got to have a very clear roadmap where you tell me when am I going to get my money back, or any investor gets their money back.